Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay with AssistiveTouch. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure your iPhone supports Apple Pay and that it's already set up in the Wallet app. Now, head over to the Settings app. Then go into Accessibility. From there, scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, you'll see the AssistiveTouch option. Go ahead and turn it on. Once enabled, you'll notice a floating circular button appear on your screen. Now tap on AssistiveTouch settings to customize it. You can assign actions like single tap, double tap, or long press. For example, you can set double tap to open Apple Pay directly, making it much faster to access. Once everything is set up, using Apple Pay becomes really simple. Just double tap the AssistiveTouch button or tap the Apple Pay option if you added it to the menu. This will instantly bring up Apple Pay. After that, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then hold your iPhone near the payment terminal and wait for the confirmation checkmark or done message. And just like that, your payment is completed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Apple Pay with AssistiveTouch. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.